Hi, this is Grayson from the KORONA support team. Today, we're talking about the exciting new features added in our July 2024 KORONA Cloud update. We got a lot to look at, so let's jump into it. All right, first up, we have filter templates. All throughout KORONA now, whenever you activate the filter, you'll have this option to create a template. So our templates are going to be groupings of different filters that you're frequently using. So for example, under products, maybe I'm frequently looking at my supplier meal and their commodity group of beer. So all the products that are under the commodity group of beer from the specific supplier. So it allows me to quickly apply these filters and take a look at this list whenever I activate this template. So I can remove it and it'll pull up all my products, but if I add it, quickly changes these filters so that I can see these specific areas. We do the same sort of thing with our customer list, for example. So my customer list may not be very big, but maybe I only want to look at my veterans. I created a template for veterans so that it automatically applies the customer group for veterans a little bit quicker, and I'm able to look at those. Another change we made with this update is we changed how price management works on the product page. If we open up a product, you'll see that price section looks a little bit different, and that's because we combined the store prices that was listed under More with the prices section on the product page. You'll see you can specify prices based off of different locations and different price groupings. It's important to note that if you were to attempt to purchase a product with a price group at a location that isn't listed, such as the premium price listed here for the California store, it'll prioritize charging the price at the default price group for that location, rather than trying to stick with a premium price grouping from another location, such as the Nevada store. So in this case, it would charge $5 as opposed to $4. Another exciting feature we have is called our graduated discounts. This is located under promotions. Let's click couponing promotions. I have an example here. You can see there's a new benefit called graduated discount. A graduated discount is essentially an added benefit for purchasing more quantity or more amount or total on your receipt. In this circumstance, I have a discount where anything between $10 and $20 on a receipt gets 1% off, 20 to 30 is 5%, 30 to 40 is 10, and 50 plus is 20%. The last feature we're going to be talking about today, and one of the most useful, is a new Plus package feature called Automatic Price Adjustment. This is going to be located under Sales and Assortments. Let's open up this assortment, and we'll see an Automatic Retail Price Adjustment section. This is designated by a specific price group, and you'll see here we can designate a minimum price margin percentage. We can also allow for it to put a specific pattern on our prices. So with this specific pattern, we'll make sure all of our prices end in 0.99. The reason this minimum profit margin percentage is so important is because whenever we intake new inventory through a stock receipt, for example, if the prices have gone up and thus our profit margin decreased because of that increase, we're able to automatically adjust our prices to meet this minimum profit margin percentage and this pattern.